So I have finished grading the third problem in the midterm exam. It's the assignment problem. And then you can see the distribution here for all students who are taking this course. I would say that the result is very good because most of you get 80 points or above. Okay, so I hope you're doing this well or even better in the other problems, okay? So there are still two other problems which I don't know your points for those questions, but so this is only for the third problem. I think it was quite easy, and I also gave you hints saying that this is an unbalanced assignment problem and then how to make it balanced first. And then about some technical stuffs, there are few students who uploaded the wrong answer to my folder. I mean, my folder is for the third questions, but there are some students who uploaded their answers for their second question to my folder. Please try to avoid such mistakes in the final exam because it just makes everything more difficult. You know, I have to send your answer to the other lecturer, and then so we have to exchange, we have to try to see whether you really submitted it or not. So please try to upload the correct answer from the correct problem to the correct folder. Okay, and then some comments on your answers. First, I saw quite a lot of you use the dummy point because there are only 3 machines in this problem, and then you should add a dummy machine, which is correct, but then the dummy cost should not be 0 because it's already mentioned in the problem that if there's a place that you cannot clean with the machine, then you get some penalty because there's flood happening. Okay, so those costs from the flood, it becomes the cost for this dummy machine. Absolutely not 0. So I wonder, like, why, and why? Okay. And then another why is that also quite many of you did the first step correctly, subtracting each number in the matrix with the minimum row. Yes, that is correct. But then many of you did not do the subtraction for the minimum of each column. Like, why? Sometimes I wonder, like, did I miss explaining this in the class? But I'm sure I didn't. And then also, I'm sure I mentioned this in the PowerPoint files. I'm sure the Winston textbook also mentioned this explicitly. So why did it happen? I have no answer, but anyway, this is pretty good result, and I hope you're preparing yourself well for the final exam. Thank you.